Hello, welcome back to LaptoXAE. Today we are taking a closer look at HP OmniBook X Flip 16, a premium 2-in-1 laptop combining a large 16-inch screen with a versatile 360-degree convertible design. Let's unbox it and take a closer look. Right out of the box, the first thing stands out. It is clean, minimal design, the finish looks modern, professional, while HP has managed to keep the overall look sleek despite the large 16-inch form factor. On this side we have two USB-C, one HDMI, one USB-A, the air vents, and on the other side we have one audio jack and USB-A. Taking a closer look at the laptop, the design is simple, elegant and premium. The laptop reveals a spacious keyboard and the generously sized touchpad, and of course the large 16-inch touchscreen with the 16-inch X360 display. Let's go to accessories. Inside the box we also get a power adapter and charging cable along with included documentation, and here we have 65-watt USB certified adapter, some paperwork over here, let's power on. And here we are in Windows 11. The large display immediately becomes one of the highlights of the OmniBook X Flip. This laptop comes with 2K 60Hz touchscreen with 360-degree rotation. Let's go to specifications. This laptop comes with Intel Core Ultra 5 226V, 16GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 512GB of NVMe SSD, Intel NPU chipset, and Intel Arc 130 GPU. This laptop comes with backlit keyboard, the touchscreen and the 360-degree hinge completely change how you can use the device. You can use it normally as a laptop, work, typing, switch it to tent mode for watching videos, content, presentations, or rotate the display all the way around the table. Style experience.